ZYXer, the 6-axis force sensor, can dramatically improve the operational performance of industrial robots. The ZYXer is a sensor that can simultaneously measure force in the 3 directions of length, width, and height, as well as the force of rotation in those directions. By equipping your robot with a ZYXer, you can give it a sense of force. With this sense of force, your robot can replicate the intricate movements of a skilled worker. Conventional robot control involves moving the arm according to input position and orientation data, which makes force control difficult. The ZYXer has good nonlinearity and small error between actual load and sensor output. Therefore, it can achieve human-like control of force, capable of pressing down on a raw egg with just enough force that it does not break. Previously, it was difficult for robots to accurately imitate movements because of the need to set countless position and orientation data points. The ZYXer can keep pressing down on any surface with a constant load due to its excellent multi-axis coherence. The ZYXer can even cut tofu on an uneven table like a human being. Conventional force sensors have had difficulty in applying small forces of about 5 newtons. With its high resolution and low minimum detection load, the ZYXer is able to achieve long, thin peels along the curved surface of a radish. The ability to achieve this kind of fine control makes it ideal for a variety of applications, such as polishing, assembly, and bonding. With the ZYXer, you can achieve the automation of skilled work.